Ho, ho, ho! Nadolig Llywyn, pawb. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's Santa here. Hi, everyone. It's Lisa from the Talk and Play team. And today, I thought I'd read you a lovely story of when Santa's sleigh is on his way to the Welsh valleys. Are we ready? Let's begin. The moon in the valleys gives off a cool glow, and Ferndale lies snug under a blanket of snow. The star-sprinkled sky is especially bright. Hey Santa, please visit tonight. The snowmen in big pits dance perfectly still, their hats and their scarves keeping out the night chill. The icicles sparkles as snowflakes drift down from Merthyr to Pontypridd and all around. Here he is, he's on his way. The Christmas trees twinkle, the eggnog smells sweet. The stockings are out for the gifts, not your feet. The bunting and paper chains hang from the ceiling and give the whole household that Christmassy feeling. Excited young children with heads full of wishes leave mince pies and big juicy carrots on dishes. They scurry upstairs, for they've heard it is said that Santa only comes once you're asleep in your bed. In Mardy, the yawns become stronger and stronger. The children of my state can't stay up any longer. From Rhondda to Rumney and Mountain Ash too, they soon sleep in soundly, all children. But you stand at your window and gaze at the sky with hopes that you'll see Santa's sleigh whizzing by. You almost nod off, but see movement ahead. A flurry of white and some flashes of red. You jump up and down and the shape becomes clear. Hey Santa, my home's over here. But something is wrong, they sparkle everywhere. The sleigh twists and turns and it swoops through the air. Oh dear. You're wide awake now. You've had such a fright. There's no chance of sleep till you know he's all right. You think about Santa, his reindeer and sleigh. Hey Santa, I hope you're okay. Yes, Santa's fine. He's in Day Valley Park, replacing the fuse for his sleigh in the dark. He tugs on the rein shouting, up away, and hits the ignition which starts up his sleigh. With magical speed only Santa possesses, he visits well over 1,000 addresses. Here he comes. From Cwmbran to Hirwaun, delivering toys, he visits each house without making a noise. Now Santa has been to all the houses but one. He can't go back home till the last house is done. It's your house, of course, but you're still wide awake. He circles above and he takes a small break. And that's when you see him. You know he's all right. Your head hits the pillow and you're out like a light. He lands on the roof to the sound of your snores. It's Santa, he's coming indoors. But, you wake up and you jump to your feet. You're sure you forgot to leave Santa a treat. Will Santa leave presents for someone so rude? You must go downstairs and make sure he has food. You enter the kitchen and turn on the light, not spotting the figure who ducks out of sight. You're still half asleep, so you don't find it weird that the broom has a hat and a coat has a beard. He's very tired. You go to the cupboard to get the mince pies, and all without spotting his clever disguise. You open the fridge so you don't hear a sound of Santa who's running off into your lounge. With a plate in your hands, you head off to the tree. You're feeling so sleepy, you don't even see. A sight that would have your heart skipping a beat. The curtains have sprouted to Santa-sized feet. Can you see him? Can you see him? The cat has found him. Still sleepy, you'll head back to bed with a smile. The panic is over, it's all been worthwhile. You climb up the staircase, not once looking back, A chuckling Santa takes toys from his sock. Ho, ho, ho. Now Santa is leaving, his sleigh races high. It sparkles and fizzes and lights up the sky. The Ebervale streetlights grow dim in the night. Hey Santa, please have a safe flight. Soon Santa leaves all the Welsh valleys behind, where children are lovely and grown-ups are kind. And then he booms loudly, his voice full of cheer. Ho, 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 valleys, I'll see you next year. I hope you enjoyed that story, and I really hope you and your family have a wonderful Christmas. Stay safe, everyone. Hwyl fawr.